Hey guys, this is Mr. Cyberpixel off YouTube, and today I've got a video for you, and it is how to install Linux Mint 12 inside Virtualbox. So we're going to jump over into the computer in a minute, but first I'd like to tell you why I haven't been making YouTube videos in a while, and the reason is generally because I've had loads of schoolwork, it's holidays, when you're 11, I've been revising, and we've had our broadband upgraded to Infinity 2. So, also, I've been working on an intro, so if you saw that in the video, please leave a comment what you think of the video, and feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, which is up there, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, if it's in the wrong place, I'll just stick an annotation up there, so yeah. So, we're gonna go jump over into the computer in a minute, but if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and add favorites, and I'll see you in a minute when I'm inside of the computer, because that's normal, I believe, I think, I hope. Hey guys, we are back inside the computer. We are inside the computer. So we are now going to go to linuxmint.com. This specific link will be in the description box below, down there. And you're going to download the ISO. So we're going to download it from University of Free State, and just press save, and there it goes. And that's going to take a while. We're also going to go to download Virtualbox, and we're going to download Virtualbox for Windows hosts. So we're going to download that as well, and I will be back when those files have downloaded. So those files have finished downloading, so now we are going to go to their location, which is in the video folder, and the first thing we're going to do is we are going to install Virtualbox. So yes, we're going to run that, and if it goes off in a second, I'm very sorry, but I haven't turned user account control off. So we're just going to go next, 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 yes, install. Now that warning was just saying that if you're on the internet while you're installing this, your internet may go off. Why would not? So, the internet may go off, and that doesn't matter right now. So, we'll just let this install, and I guess I will be back again. So when this comes up, what you are gonna need to do is just press install, and when it pops up again, you just keep pressing install on all these little boxes that come up. Okay, so Virtualbox now has finished installing, so we're gonna run Virtualbox, and we're gonna close Firefox, and wait for Virtualbox to load up. There is Virtualbox, so that's one opportunity, but I'm going to recreate it for you guys, so yours will look like a bit like this, and we're going to make a new virtual machine. I'm going to go next, we're going to type Linux Mint 12, and I'll just put next, and I'm going to give it 512 megs of RAM, because I'm obviously recording the screen right now, but if you want to give it up to the end of the green line, and next, 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 create. So now we have a virtual machine. Now we need to install Linux Mint onto it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to the settings. I'm going to change our display settings. We're going to give it all of our video memory, and we're going to enable 3D acceleration. And we're going to press OK, and we're going to start the virtual machine. Now we got to go to the first run wizard, because at the moment it's like a machine with a blank hard drive, so it will not boot up to anything. Okay, so now we need to give it an image. So we click on there, and don't mind all my rubbish in here, find a folder called video, and there's our image that we downloaded earlier from virtualbox.com. Then we'll open that, press next, start. And now what this is going to do is it's going to start that's our computer in a box by there. So we're just going to leave it automatic boot. There we go, it's automatically booting up. I'm sorry, this video is going to be a long one. I'm going to switch to full screen mode. I hope you guys can still see that. But we're just waiting for our Virtualbox to load Linux Mint up. But this will be slow because it's loading from one file. It's got a blank hard drive of 8 gigs. Because we set it 8 gigs earlier. Well, a virtual hard drive, which is actually a real file on our hard drive, a real hard drive, and it's just loading up now. Maybe I should not make a full screen in case you can't see that. There we go. So now we just wait. I'll be back when it loads. Okay guys, so if it comes up with this message right here, you just leave it. I'll say upgrade BIOS or use forced ADRR equals 0xADDR, but obviously we don't need to do that, so we're just going to leave it be. So it's waiting for network configuration, which it should get from our normal internet connection, because it is sharing the internet connection with our host computer, which is the computer you're using to view this virtual computer. So you'll see that message on the screen change. It's starting Virtualbox editions, which it actually failed, but I will, in the next video I will show you how to install Virtualbox editions, and then that will not fail. So it was all code before, but now the graphical interface is loading. I hope. Again, I'll be back because it's taking longer than I anticipated. So we are back, and as you can see, we have Linux Mint 12 is loading up. As you see, it looks a bit different to what our Windows is like, but we are just gonna go ahead, and you can use it like this, but it'll be very, very, very slow. So we are just going to go and install it by double clicking the install Linux Mint icon on the desktop. You guys see me right? So it is loading up. it'll take its time. Oh my god, it takes so long. So you get a spinning cursor when you hover over the window. And it's loading up. Okay guys, I will be back. This is just being ridiculous. So we are now presented with this screen, and it is the install of Linux Mint. So we're just going to go continue. And then we're just going to press continue again. And it's going to take its time. And we're just, I know it says erase disk and install Linux Mint, but this is a virtual hard disk. So if we erase the virtual one, nothing will happen to our current computer. So we're just going to click continue. Install now. And at this point it will start installing. Even though it will carry on asking us questions, it will carry on installing. See, there it is, the bar on the bottom. It's installing. So we'll leave it install. And in a minute it will ask us our time zone and our name and password. So it's back and it's asking us our time zone, and I know it says London, but that is our time zone if you live in UK. So we're just going to continue, and we're just going to wait. Yeah, today I'll show you how to install Linux Mint, and then in the next episode I will show you tips for moving around Linux and installing Linux Virtualbox guest editions. So yeah, it's just taking its time. So it is back and it's asking us a keyboard layout. We have the English UK keyboard. So we're just going to click continue. And this laser Orbicam thing is doing my head in. I will move it over here, because of course it's recording my webcam right now, so that thing will not go away. So it's calculate files, skip copying. So now I will be back. Alright guys, I am back and finally done. So we're just going to fill in this information on here, if I have a mouse of course. Yours should be faster, it's just mine. I have to capture the screen as well, so it's taking its time. basically you just fill in your name in the first box, you just leave the second box, pick username for the third box, put a password and confirm it in the fourth and fifth box, and press continue. So I'll do that off camera because my thing wants to be stupid, and I think it's because I'm recording the screen right now. But I will be back after I've done that and click continue. So guys, after you've done that, it will just finish the installation for you, and then in the next episode I will show you how you can use this machine. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe for more videos, and thanks again.